Today topic is cell constant. We write cell constant heading cell constant. Now we write definition of cell constant. The quantity L by A is called cell constant. It is denoted by G star. It is denoted by G star. We write the definition of cell constant. The quantity L by A is called cell constant. It is denoted by L by A. Now here we write formula G star is equal to L by A. L denote distance between two electrodes in the cell. This L indicate distance between two electrodes in the cell. This small L indicate a cross section area of electrode. But it is difficult to calculate the value of G star on the basis of L by A. So here we write the cell constant. The cell constant is generally, we write the cell constant is generally not calculated from the values of L and A. We write the cell constant is generally not calculated from values of L and A. Because these, we write because these are difficult. These are difficult to measured. We write these are difficult to measure from a given cell. We write the cell constant is generally not calculated from the values of L and A because these are difficult to measure from a given cell. So now again we write it is measured by the value of kappa and C. Kappa is called a specific conductance and C is called conductivity. Here we write formula G star is equal to kappa upon C. Now we write cell unit of cell constant. Unit of cell constant. G star is equal to L by A is equal to Cm is equal to upon Cf square. Here we write G star is equal to L upon A. It is not C. Here we G star is equal to L by A. The unit of L is equal to Cm. The unit of A is Cm square. Cm and Cm what we write Cm. We write Cm inverse. Here we write the unit of cell constant in the term of Cm is equal to Cm inverse. It is a unit of a cell constant. If the value of L and A are given, the cell constant will be calculated. G star is equal to L upon A. If the value of kappa and C are given, so we calculate the value of G star on the help of this formula. Next topic is molar conductance or molar conductivity. We write molar conductance or molar conductivity. It is denoted by lambda n. Molar conductance or molar conductivity. It is denoted by lambda m. The definition of molar conductance we write the conducting power of all the ions. We write the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of an electrolyte in the solution is called molar conductance or molar conductivity. We write definition of molar conductance or molar conductivity. The conducting power of the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of an electrolyte in the solution is called molar conductance or molar conductivity. It is denoted by lambda m. The symbol of molar conductance or molar conductivity is lambda m. Now we write the molar conductance is. We write the molar conductance is related to a specific conductance as. We write the molar conductance is related to a specific conductance as lambda m is equal to kappa upon capital M. We write lambda m is equal to kappa upon capital M, where capital M is molar concentration or it is also the molarity. Here we write molarity. Lambda m indicate molar conductance, kappa indicate a specific conductance, and m indicate m is molar concentration or molarity. Now if we write if m is in the units of, now we write if m is in the unit of molarity, that is, we write if m is in the units of molarity, that is per mole per liter, that is mole per liter. The lambda may be expressed as lambda m may be expressed as lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 upon m. It is a formula of lambda m. Now we write units of molar conductance or molar conductivity. We write units. We write units of molar conductance. Simon cm square mole inverse. और we write in meter Simon meter square mole inverse. These are units of molar conductance or molar conductivity, which is objective. This unit is famous for objective question. Now we write note. We write note 1 and 2. Note 1 is 1 Simon Cm square mole inverse is equal to, we write 1 Simon Cm square mole inverse is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 Simon meter square mole inverse. 1 Simon Cm square mole inverse is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 Simon meter square mole inverse. Now we write 1 Simon meter square and mole inverse is equal to 10 to the power 4 Simon Cm square mole inverse. It is a